Want to see more of a comic strip getting inked? Watch this video. Hello friends, it's me, your old pal Max West. I'm going to continue work here on Poison Ivy Gulch. Now you may have seen in previous videos that this was inked. I've let this sit for a while. I've let the ink dry. Now I'm going to erase it. Now when I erase my comics, I like to use a nice rubber eraser. And for getting rid of the residue and dust on the page, I use a drafting brush. You can find this at any office supply store or art supply store. Alright, let's get this all erased so I can start going over it again. Once this is all erased, I'm going to be masking in areas of black, adding in some more pen work and such. Pretty snappy, doesn't it? Look. Yep. This is why we use ink on comics, because it reproduces well. I mean, it just has a vivid quality that pencils don't. Let's just finish that. See, I think I've got almost all of this. Just a little more pencil there. Get that off. Now you see, doesn't this look a lot better? Yeah, it does. Alright. Now, it's time to start applying some of the black ink here. Alright. So I'm just going to get my India ink in this jar. I have a jar of water that I'm going to dip the brush in. As usual, I use waterproof black ink. Select a brush here from my table. Alright, wet the brush. I'm going to dip it in some black ink here. Going to start masking in some areas. I think we'll add some here. You see how lush that looks? Okay, let's add some black here to the horse's eyes. Put on some there on the mane. Let's add a little black here to the horse's mane as well. See this? We're going to do a little black ink there. Alright, work on the horse's ink there. We're going to do the horse's eyes over here. Just dab it in. See? Alright. Now we're going to do this horse right here, the one who seems to be complaining that there's no lemon there. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to clean my brush. Now you see what we've got there? We got a solid comic strip done in ink. Looks very vivid there. Now usually what I do is I let this sit and dry for a while. That's what I like to do. Now once I've spotted the black ink on the page, One of the other things I do is I will, again, I go back over it with the pen. I'll just touch up various things. I'll add details, maybe some pen strokes, hatching, cross-hatching, scribbling, a little dotting, and I'll sign the page. Alright, yeah. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to jump right into that. It's not like I have giant patches of black ink on the page. Alright, now, again, starting over this side, a little bit of shadow here. Okay. Maybe add a bit of markings to this worn horse trough, make it a little more worn there. See? Going to do some hatching there with the horse's mane and then with the tail. See? Looks pretty good. Let me just do a little work here by the horse. I'm going to add some hatching. Okay. I don't like to overwork a page, so I think I'm going to call it quits here. All I have to do is just add the signature. And there we go, a finished comic strip. Remember, the name of this is Poison Ivy Gulch. The link will be in the video description below. If you want to see more of my work, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon there for more notifications when I post up more work. Until next time, this is your old pal Max West saying goodbye.